Is Everyday Grammar. I'm Lucia.
And I'm Kaveh. Lucia, did you know that the verb get can be used in more than 50 different ways?
What? Really? That's crazy. I know that the most common meaning of get is to receive, obtain, or buy. That would be get plus direct object.
I got an email from my professor. I got a new car. I got a coat from my sister.
Get plus direct object is also the structure when get means to bring or fetch something, as is the structure get plus indirect object plus direct object.
Could you get me my coat?
Just remember, you usually use that last structure when something is nearby.
The next meaning of get is to arrive somewhere. Here, you would use the structure get plus location adverb or get plus to plus location.
When will you get here? I got to work late.
Another meaning of get is to become. Here, you use get plus adjective.
The weather is getting cold. I get excited when I get a good grade.
We sure covered a lot of information.
Well, that's because we're getting better at